Good morning, students. Last 2 days I have explained the introductions of similar triangle. I think you have understood what is similar triangle and what are the rules of the similar triangle and which condition two triangle will be similar and what is the difference between the similar triangle and congruent triangle. After the introductions, we'll start today first exercise 6.1. In 6.1, question number 1, some fill in the blanks is given. You have to write the correct answer with the reason. Number 1, all circles are, two options are given, congruent or similar. The correct answer will be similar. Why? The two circles, the two different circles, suppose this is the two different circle. One is this circle and other is this circle. In these two circles, suppose this is the radius R and here the radius is capital R. All the radius of the first circles are same. All the radius of the first circles are same. Similarly, all the radius of the second circle is also same. So if we take the ratio of the R by R, then it will be constant. It is fixed. So two circles are always similar. Question number 2, all square are similar and congruent. Same thing, you know the side of the square are equal. So if you take two square and you find the ratio of the first side of the first square and the first side of the second square, this will be same as the second side of the first square to the second side of the second square. Similarly, third side of the first square to the third side of the second square and so on. So, all the circles are similar. Number 2, all dashed triangles are similar. Option given, isosceles and equilateral. You know the equilateral triangles, all angles are equal to 60 degree. So if we take any two equilateral triangle, whatever the size and shape, but the angles should be same. All the angles will be 60 degree only. So two circles are always similar. Which two triangles are always similar? Not circle. The two triangles are always similar in the case of the equilateral triangle. Point number 4, two polygons. Polygons means the geometrical figure which have the 3 or more than 3 sides. Two polygons of the same number sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportional. First option will be equal and second option will be proportional. This one already I have explained you when I have explained you the similarity of the triangle. Now question number 2, give two examples of the pair of similar figure and non-similar figure. Just now many examples I have given. Similar figure means two equilateral triangle, two square, two circles. These all are the similar figure. And two non-similar figure, two scalene triangle you can give, two rectangle you can give, two rhombus you can give. These are the all non-similar figure. State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. You see the figure of question number 3. If you get the ratio of the corresponding side, in the first quadrilateral it is 1.5 and second quadrilateral is 3. Page number 122, figure number 6.8. The ratio of the corresponding sides are same, but angles are not same. So it is not the similar figure. So your homework is exercise 6.1, question number 1 to 3. Thank you.